Hey guys, it's Riff in the Underground. I'm a plumber by day, so I pulled up on a job and backed up into the parking lot and noticed all these little dookie looking things. Now, I don't know if they're from some kind of crustacean that's maybe living down in the rocks, but they are literally covering this hillside. Especially over there, there's a whole concentrate of them. But I found some wet ones down here. They might be cicadas or something. Let's see if we can find the critter that's making these. Oh, and we did. Look, check it out. We found the critter. Let's get my camera to focus. And these are cicadas. Best fishing bait in the world. And you can even put them on your pizza. So yeah, that's what's made all these. This is the year of the cicada. So that's what's made all these little dookies in the woods. So I'm gonna go hunting and find me some cicadas because we are going fishing. Yeah, buddy, I'll stick them in the freezer and I will save these bad boys because bass just eat them up, eat them up. All right, guys, catch y'all on the underground. See ya.